Today, I'm going to show you how to use Kimi K2.6, which is a brand new open source AI agent to use and automate your SEO strategy. So you can see, for example, this is based on what's taken our website from like 0 clicks a day all the way up to 437 clicks a day over here. Basically, what we're going to be using today is Kimi K2.6 agent swarms to automate our SEO research and our SEO strategy and all the content and everything else. And you can do this in a very quick click. Now, why would you do this? It's because Kimi K2.6 is one of the most autonomous AI agents ever built, and it just dropped, and it's open source, and it's super affordable. The other thing is, so you can use this with OpenClaw and use this with AI agents like Hermes, and it's very powerful for automating your AI SEO. So let's get straight into this. If you want to start using it, you can get access at Kimi.com. And by the way, if you haven't seen the benchmarks right here for Kimi K2.6, you can see them right here. This model directly from China. Now, one of the things to note here is that all of the benchmarks, the main benchmarks for Kimi, are focused on one thing, which is agentic use, right? So you can use this for powering your AI agents. It's one of the most powerful ways to do that. Now, if we have a look here, for example, this is an example of the setup that we've used for using agent swarms, right? What we actually did over here is we said, you are the lead SEO strategist for an AI powered SEO team. And we automated a whole SEO strategy based on that, right? So we said, break the user's goal into an SEO campaign, route tasks to the right sub agents, blah, blah, blah. And then it went off and did this and created a full SEO strategy using this. Now, we've got multiple different AI agents working together in this agent swarm. Now, if you're wondering, okay, what is an agent swarm? Basically, this is when a multiple team of agents work together to create whatever you want, right? To automate whatever you want. So as an example of this, we have, for example, one agent right here. We have an optimizer agent that can create and optimize our content for us. We also have, for example, an LLM AI visibility agent, all within the same team and the same process, right? And then it works in simple stages because you've got the research agent, the content strategist, the writer agent, optimizer agent, the GEO agent working, the QA agent, and then you consolidate all of that output into one summary. And what you get at the end is something that looks like this, right? So this actually looks at, okay, what articles could we create? What sort of content should we go for? What are the article titles, etc.? What angles should we take on our SEO strategy? How do we analyze our EEAT, and how do we make sure that we have expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness across our content? And also, what are we creating over here? And then how do we make sure that we funnel traffic? So, for example, it says all CTAs should use the exact URL, which is this one, and this will generate us more traffic here. You can also see the optimizer report. So this is actually looked through our existing content and then broken down, okay, what can we do? What should we do here? And how should this be automated? And this is basically looking at the website, the AIprofitboarding.com. So if we have a look, here's the final deliverable. And basically this compiles a beautiful strategy report, as you can see right here with all of our team. Now, if you want to start using this yourself, let me show you how it works. So you can use agent, or you can select agent swarm, agent swarm. So if you select agent swarm, Kimi.com, this is what you're going to do. Now, just to show you how powerful this is, this can automate basically anything. Like, it actually designed a whole operating system. So you can see here that the Kimi agent swarms created Linux. It literally replicated Linux, right? With all the applications, you can use them all, they all work, etc. Pretty beautiful. You can, for example, create these amazing surveys. But obviously, we want to focus on one thing, which specifically is SEO. So how do we use this? We can go over here and we can say, automate the SEO strategy for my AI profit boardroom community, which is focused on generating sales from this page. And we'll put the link to the page over here. So we want to rank for Hermes, OpenClaw, etc. related keywords around AI agents. And also we have the AI profit boardroom too. Also inside, recommend automations to help us grow our SEO traffic, plus plan out the content strategy and link building strategy, etc. Right? Now, if you actually have a content strategy already, you could just plug that straight into the agent swarm and it should be able to automate all the content for you. If you actually gave it the login details for your websites, it could probably even log into your website and start automating that for you too. But the main thing is here that we've got the agent swarm prompt over here. Then we have Kimi's computer, which is going to create a team of agents working together. And you can actually see its thinking here. So you can see how it's coming up with the ideas. And then we've got this computer in the cloud on the right-hand side, which will have all of our agents working together. Now, If you want to see an example of that for another task, whilst we're waiting, let me show you an example that we actually ran earlier today. So you can see all your previous chats with agents over here. All right, if you go to your agent history, and if we wanted to see an example of agents working together, here's an example, right? So what we actually had here was a bunch of AI agents work together. As you can see, we had Owen, Descartes, Paul, Xavier, etc. They all work together to create and work in parallel to research our industry, right? And then it put together this amazing report at the end, which you can see here, fully designed, fully turned into a document, analyzing the GPT 5.5 leaks, right? And you can do exactly the same with SEO, which is what we're doing over here. Right? So it's beginning to analyze what we can do. Now, whilst we're waiting for that, there's some other features as well that are super powerful when it comes to using agents with Kimi, right? So what you can also do, and I'll just keep this up in the background so you can see what it's doing in the background here. What we can also do is we can select agent on Kimi.com and we could say, okay, create an SEO optimized article for my keyword, Hermes versus OpenClaw, right? Something like that. And then we can actually go over here. We can take one of my prompts. This is from the AI Profit Boardroom. If you're not a member, feel free to check it out. It's got loads of good automations on like SEO and how to grow your site's traffic with SEO, etc. AI SEO in particular. And so we're going to put in the keyword, which is this one, Hermes versus OpenClaw, right? So we can actually, for example, just create the article here, as you can see. The other option that we have, right? And you can see the tasks here and what it's doing in the background. So you can see how it's working. If we actually pull this up, you'll see the task progress, what it's doing. So for example, here, it's analyzing the web, it's loading up the computer. It's going to have a bunch of agents working together in a second. It's actually analyzing what sort of keywords are coming up for free community or AI profit boarding, etc. Now, if we go back over here to the new setup that we have, let's find that. All right, so this is for creating the content. It's now going to research a web and figure out, okay, what content can we create for that particular article? So you got that option too. And the other option that you can use this for is you can actually use this for creating tools, right? So you could say, okay, create an SEO article, AI powered tool for generating content. Here's how I like to create it. And then over here, we can just take our prompt for creating content and turn that into an actual AI SEO tool with Kimi, right? And we'll just go to normal agent, not Kimi agent swarms. You don't need Kimi agent swarms for that task, right? So that's basically how it works over here. So just to recap, we've got this setup where you can create AI content. We've got this setup for actually creating articles. So we can create our own tools, we can create our own articles, we can create a full content strategy with a team of AI agents. So you see how it's beginning now to build out the agent swarm. And you've got, for example, you got Judy, right? Judy's working on the on-page SEO and technical optimization over here. So her mission is to research on-page SEO tactics for our niche to rank our school community. And then she's got context from scanning, she's got required research angles, etc. So we've got Judy there. Then we've got Adam's a keyword research expert focused on Hermes and OpenClaw. So his mission is to conduct comprehensive keyword research for AI agent framework related terms, right? So you can see here how that works, context, and basically it's pulled in all the context from the research. So if you look at the chat, like it will do research around the industry first, and then it will load that into the AI sub agents. So they're fully briefed. They've got context on like, okay, here's how to do it. So we've got a keyword research strategist over here. That's Adam. We have the on-page and technical optimization SEO research agent, which is Judy. Then we have Ricardo, and Ricardo is focused on AI automation business terms. So if you look at the difference, Adam is focused on Hermes and OpenClaw. Ricardo is focused on like just general AI automation business terms. That's his mission, to focus on that. And then you have Kay is doing competitive analysis around the industry. And you see how we've got a full team of 12 different agents all working together, all trying to build something amazing for the AI Profit Boardroom to rank our website. And that's basically how you can be 12 times more productive, because you can get the same amount done, but in 10% of the time, because you've got all these agents working for you, right? And literally all you do is you just give it the prompt in terms of, here's what I want you to do, mate. You go off and do it now. So whilst we're waiting for these tasks to run, as you can see here, we'll watch the agents just work together. We'll actually get green dots once they've fully completed the task. You can see the progress over here. You can see what they've done and how far they are across the actual task. So in the meantime, let's talk about this, all right? So number one, why should you care? This is just what works for me. I know how to use AI and I know how to use AI agents to grow SEO traffic. This is just one website across many that I have in my portfolio. And I know this process just works over and over again. And the amazing thing is, the better these agents get, the smarter they get, the more powerful the tools become, and the easier it is to rank. Like, it's easier than ever, and it's more fun than ever to do SEO because of these AI tools. What is Kimi K2.6? So Kimi is an AI, right? It's kind of like ChatGPT or Claude. You just have a question. The difference is that Kimi K2.6 is different because it doesn't just chat, it builds things for you, right? It can build SEO content, it can build keyword research reports, it can build AI SEO tools. It can literally work on your SEO for days without stopping. Literally, it can, right? And this is by Moonshot AI, the company behind Kimi. So they just open sourced Kimi K2.6. It's now available on Kimi.com, the app, API, and Kimi code, right? So a simple way to think of it is like Kimi is like having a team of robot SEO workers. You tell them what to do, they go off and do it, as you can see over here, and you don't need to touch it. So why does this matter for SEO? Most SEOs are just typing prompts at the same time, or they're still writing their SEO content. It's slow, it's old, it's boring, it's monotonous. It doesn't get great results, honestly, these days. You really want to look at smarter ways to do your SEO strategy. So Kimi K2.6 lets you give one instruction, it doesn't work with a whole SEO team. So the proof, for example, from Moonshot's own research, on one test, Kimi K2.6 ran autonomously for 12 hours straight and made 4,000 tool calls. Right? Imagine that running on your SEO strategy. On another test, it worked 13 hours nonstop and modified 4,000 lines of code. Imagine that was just optimizing your website for 13 hours straight. Are you going to rank more? Are you going to rank better afterwards? Absolutely. One team even let it run autonomously for 5 full days managing the servers. 5 full days, right? No human touching it. Now imagine that running your link building campaigns 24/7. That is the power of Kimi K2.6 for SEO. So let's talk about the research and why it matters as well for your rankings. Kimi is really scoring the best versus on Humanities Last Exam, Deep Search QA, right? And this matters for SEO because Deep Search QA measures how well the AI can research topics, which is exactly what you need for like content briefs, competitor analysis, and keyword research, right? On Browse Comp as well with Agent Swarms, it hit 86.3%. Browse Comp basically measures how well AI can browse the web and find information, which is perfect for SERP analysis and competitor research. By the way, Judy, Adam, and Ricardo are doing a great job over there. Let's have a look at the other tools that we're building. So this is still working on its magic here. And then if we have a look here, it's building out an environment for the SEO content as well, right? Like you can see, we can actually open that up and you can see the computer loading over here. So we'll go back to the Agent Swarm because that's more fun to watch. And then if you go through here as well, the other thing to note here is like AEO, GEO, AI SEO, whatever you want to call it, answer engine optimization or generative engine optimization. To rank in these AI answers, you need content that AI can understand and quote. And guess what? Kimi K2.6 is trained to build exactly this kind of content. Since Kimi is one of the top AI models in the world, optimizing for Kimi means you're also optimizing for ChatGPT and Claude and Gemini all at the same time. So there are 5 different ways that you can use Kimi for SEO, right? You can use Kimi agent swarms, group of teams working together, automating your content strategy, right? Method number 2 is Kimi agent, which is basically how you can build content like you can see right here and here to create your own tools or create content. So this is just one AI agent. Kimi swarms, agent swarms are better if you're doing like mass amounts of work. Kimi agent is just good for one-off tasks, right? Building a keyword research strategy, building a landing page for a keyword, building a content brief for one article, building a backlink prospecting list, etc. Right? That's what it's good for. And then you got the chat as well for quick SEO answers. If you were asking, okay, what's the best keyword for a plumber in Manchester, or write 10-minute descriptions for this page, you got Kimi chat. If you don't know how to use that, you just go to Kimi.com. And then over here, you would select Kimi Instant or Kimi Thinking. You can use the chat without the agent, right? If you want to toggle the agent on, you put it there, but it will be a lot slower. And then you've also got method number 4, which is Kimi Claw. So this is basically OpenClaw, but with Kimi Claw. So you can go over here. It's a cloud-hosted version that you can set up in one click, right? So you can search your web, you can call tools, you can connect to your website, you can publish content every day on a schedule for you as well. That's Kimi Claw, right? It just works 24/7 on its own. So if you've never seen Kimi Claw, here's an example of what it looks like. You can set it up in one click. You can open it up on your phone. You can run 24/7. You can give it scheduled tasks, right? So you can say, okay, every day publish an article on this website, right? And you give it the login details, and then it will just go off and do it on its own, right? So, for example, daily rank tracking, competitor monitoring, backlink monitoring, content opportunity, writing content, etc. can do all of those automatically for you. So that's basically it. Now, if you want to get a full guide on how to use Kimi K2.6, I'm going to put that inside the AI Profit Boarding for you. Link in the comments description, or go to the AIProfitBoarding.com. If you scroll down to the AI SEO automation section over here, we're going to add a page. It's going to be called Kimi K2.6 Agent Swarms AI SEO. and you can just use that section right there. We'll include the video tutorial in there as well, so you can just use this and come back to it. And we have tons of training on AI SEO, as you can see, with new guides every day. Like, I think we have the most updated AI SEO community in the world, right? It's not just for AI SEO, like it's for just automating your business with AI. But honestly, with our daily new tutorials on AI SEO, like we're adding new cool stuff every day that I don't see anyone else doing, right? It's so cool. Check out this example as well. Like, for example, ranking Reddit, going from 0 to 6,000 SEO traffic with Reddit. That's what we do inside this community, right? So feel free to check that out. Link in the comments description or go to the AIprofitboardroom.com. And also, you can get a free SEO strategy session one-to-one at goldie.agency. So if you go to goldie.agency, you can book in a free AI SEO strategy session. We'll show you how we take websites from 0 to 145,000 visitors per month and generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales on autopilot without Facebook or Google ads using AI SEO, right? So you can get a free SEO domination plan, discover the secrets of SEO link building. We can answer any questions you have one-to-one on the call. You can learn the best link building strategies for your website, plus how to outrank your competitors with AI SEO. So feel free to book that in. That's at goldie.agency. Appreciate you watching. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.